India is home to over 350 snake species, with only about 15 to 17% being venomous. The big four, spectacled cobra, common krait, Russell's viper, and saw-scaled viper, cause most snake bites. Other notable snakes include the king cobra, longest venomous, and reticulated python, largest. The Andaman pit viper. The Andaman pit viper, Trimeresurus andersoni, is a highly venomous snake species endemic to India's Andaman Islands, commonly found in rainforests and known for its varied, vibrant color morphs: red, yellow, green, black. Growing up to 110 centimeters, this nocturnal, arboreal predator feeds on small animals, and while not usually fatal, its bite causes severe pain and requires medical attention. They have triangular heads covered in small scales and keeled dorsal scales. Colors vary wildly, with individuals appearing green, bright yellow, reddish-brown, or dark brown to blend with forest foliage. They are found in the dense tropical forests of the Andaman Islands. They are often seen at night and are active after rains, sometimes found on the forest floor, forest tracks, and even crossing roads. They feed on small mammals, birds, lizards, and insects. The venom is medically significant, causing severe pain, swelling, and potential tissue damage. But it is not typically fatal to humans if treated, according to Facebook posts from Pranitha Pet Sanctuary. The bamboo pit viper is a term primarily used for several species of venomous green snakes in the genus Trimeresurus, and sometimes Crassidocephalus. While multiple species across Asia share this name, the most common is the Indian bamboo pit viper, Crassidocephalus gramineus. Typically bright green to olive green dorsally, with a pale green or yellowish belly. They have a distinct triangular head and vertical pupils. Like all pit vipers, they possess specialized heat-sensing pit organs between their eyes and nostrils to detect warm-blooded prey in the dark. They are often found on low to medium bushes, trees, or near streams in hilly forests. The Malabar pit viper, Crassidocephalus malabaricus, is a venomous snake endemic to the Western Ghats of India. It is widely celebrated by wildlife photographers and herpetologists for its incredible polymorphism, meaning it appears in a vast array of colors and patterns. These snakes are medium-sized, typically ranging from 50 to 70 centimeters in length. They possess a distinct triangular head and vertically elliptical pupils. Individuals can be found in shades of green, yellow, orange, brown, and even rare blue or maroon. This diversity helps them camouflage across various forest microhabitats. Like all pit vipers, they have specialized organs between their eyes and nostrils that detect heat, allowing them to hunt warm-blooded prey in total darkness. Pit viper, genus Hypnale, is a group of small, highly venomous snakes endemic to the Western Ghats of India and Sri Lanka. Once considered only moderately dangerous, they are now recognized as a major medical concern, responsible for more snake bites in Sri Lanka than any other species. They are small, typically 30 to 55 centimeters, with a stout body and a triangular head. Their most defining feature is a pointed, upturned snout that ends in a small hump. Their coloration is typically grayish or reddish-brown, with dark, often triangular spots, allowing them to blend perfectly into leaf litter on the forest floor. Bites cause severe pain, swelling, and blistering at the site. Serious systemic complications include acute kidney injury, renal failure, and coagulopathy, blood clotting disorders. The banded krait, Bungarus fasciatus, is a large, highly venomous elapid snake easily identified by its bold, alternating black and yellow, or white, bands of equal thickness. It is widely distributed across the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. The monocled cobra, Najacauthia, also called monocelate cobra and Indian spitting cobra, is a venomous cobra species widespread across South and Southeast Asia.
The king cobra, Arphiarphagus hanna, is the world's longest venomous snake, reaching lengths of up to 5.85 meters, 19.2 feet. Native to the forests of South and Southeast Asia, it is unique as the only snake that builds a nest for its eggs and primarily feeds on other snakes, a trait reflected in its scientific name, which translates to snake eater. While they average 3 to 4 meters, they can grow nearly 6 meters long. Adults vary in color from olive green and tan to black, often with pale yellow crossbands. Its diet consists almost exclusively of other snakes, venomous and non-venomous, and lizards. The saw-scaled viper. The saw-scaled viper, Echis carinatus, is a small but highly venomous snake found in the dry regions of Africa, the Middle East, India, Sri Lanka, and Pakistan. Despite its petite size, usually measuring between 30 and 90 centimeters, it is widely considered one of the deadliest snakes in the world. It is responsible for more human fatalities globally than any other snake species, primarily due to its aggressive nature, excellent camouflage, and proximity to densely populated areas. When threatened, it rubs its specialized, serrated scales together to produce a loud sizzling or rasping sound, a process called stridulation. This serves as a warning and is more efficient than hissing, as it minimizes water loss in its arid habitat. It often uses sidewinding to move quickly over loose sand or rocky surfaces. The Indian cobra. The Indian cobra, Naja naja, also known as the spectacled cobra, is a highly venomous snake native to the Indian subcontinent. It is easily recognized by its large hood, which it expands when threatened, often revealing a distinctive spectacle mark on the back. Typically 1 to 1.5 meters, 3.3 to 4.9 feet, long, with colors ranging from black and dark brown to yellowish-brown. It possesses a potent neurotoxic venom that affects the nervous system, potentially leading to muscle paralysis and respiratory failure. Highly adaptable, it lives in forests, grasslands, agricultural fields, and even heavily populated urban areas. The common krait. The common krait, Bungarus caeruleus, is one of the most dangerous snakes in South Asia, belonging to India's Big Four, the four species responsible for the highest number of snakebite fatalities on the subcontinent. It is often called the silent killer because its bite is frequently painless, leading victims to remain unaware they have been envenomated until serious symptoms appear. It typically has a glossy black or bluish-black body with narrow white crossbands that often come in pairs. A key identifying feature is its large, hexagonal scales running down the center of its back. Strictly nocturnal and shy during the day, it becomes active at night to hunt other snakes, lizards, and rodents found across India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and Nepal. It thrives in grasslands, agricultural fields, and frequently enters human settlements in search of food or warmth. Russell's viper. The Russell's viper, Daboia russellii, is a species of highly venomous snake native to South Asia and a member of the Big Four, snakes responsible for the most medically significant snakebite cases in India. Named after Scottish herpetologist Patrick Russell, its genus name Daboia is derived from a Hindi word meaning the lurker or that lies hid, reflecting its nature as a master of camouflage. It has a stout body with a light brown, tan, or yellow base, marked by 3 rows of dark, oval-shaped chain spots. It features a distinct triangular head and vertical pupils. When threatened, it coils into S-loops and produces a hiss louder than any other snake, often compared to the sound of a pressure cooker. It is a sluggish mover but can strike with lightning speed and such force that it may lift its entire body off the ground. Commonly found in open grasslands, scrub jungles, and agricultural fields, especially rice paddies, where it hunts rodents.